Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make your CapCut video in Instagram or Instagram Reels or in TikTok video size. So for this, what you need to do is first of all open your CapCut, and then you have to import that video that you would like to edit and make it to the Instagram Reel size or TikTok Reel size, and after that you have to place it in your project, and then you have to choose the ratio here to 9:16. So for your kind information, if you would like to make your ratio to 9:16, then it will be in the Instagram Reel size and also in the TikTok size. And after that you can simply resize it, like for example you can make it small. Here you can see there are so many black screen. Then what you can do is simply increase the size and make that black screen fill up, and after that you can check that all the blanks are filled or not, and that's how you can easily change the ratio. The main thing is you need to change the ratio to get a perfect size for Instagram Reel or TikTok videos. And after that, when you are all done, then you can simply click on export, and simply you can save your video, and then you can finally upload your video in your Instagram Reels or in TikTok videos. So that's how you can easily resize your video in the size of Instagram Reel and TikTok video. So thank you very much for watching this video.